multi-layered ball dress. So the length I'm working with is 18, the half length is 8. So 18 minus 8 is 10. That's starting to want is 10 inches. So I'll add 2 inches to the 10, make it 12. 1 inch for sewing allowance, 1 inch for the crinoline. The longest part I'll be making it 12 inches. That's 10 plus 2, 12. The second one, 10. The third one, 8. So I'll be adding this crinoline.
I'm joining my layers of net together as one piece. So I'm arranging them and making sure that no layer of the net is left out. I'm taking it one by one, counting them 1, 2, 3, so that no piece is left out, after which I'll sew it down with a straight stitch.
So I'm adding the crinoline to the 2 nets. So this is where I'll attach it. And I'm sewing it with about ½ inch. So I'll flip it this way.
I'll use my second hand to align the crinoline with the net as I sew down, so that it aligns properly, like so.
So after adding the 3 layers of crinoline, this is what it looks like. It's looking so lovely already. So I go ahead at the edge to gather these two into the waist measurement. So I leave 1.5 inch here for zip allowance, and I gather the rest this way. So giving the measurement that I want. So when I'm through, I'm going to show it to you. And also, when you're through with, you can join this, hold this side down, join it down this way. So after gathering my net, so this is what it's looking like, and I decided to add this to give it more effect.
I'm attaching my doll face, my gathered net, and I'm securing it with pins, after which I take to the sewing machine and sew it down together, and I can go ahead to add my desired upper bodice.